This is the E6 Optical Encoder. It's available in resolutions ranging from 64 to 10,000 CPR. That's 256 to 40,000 PPR. It is available with index and comes in single-ended, differential, Avago-compatible differential, Avago-compatible 10-pin single-ended, and our new high-voltage output option. The E6 is quick and simple to assemble, and features a latching connector, providing a secure connection that is resistant to vibration. It supports 22 shaft sizes, ranging from 2 mm to 1 inch. If you are looking for a smaller encoder with similar features and don't need a CPR higher than 5,000, consider our E5 optical encoder. Check out our website for pricing, specs, and drawings. And please subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our products and company.